Hello, we're at Alton Towers and it's kind of a little bit warm, which is weird, but also very wet. It's going to be a fun day, but probably a very busy one. It's going to be good. It is very busy. We're queuing all the way at the entrance of Forbidden Valley. They look so good. Nemesis is riding absolutely fantastic this morning, as usual. It's only on one train, which has made the queue a little bit longer, but it was absolutely flying around. Just been on one train especially. For it to warm up that quick this early, I think it probably helps because it's raining, but that's incredible. But we have construction updates. Look how much work they've done on Project Ocean. Very busy this morning. Are they footers? They look like connection points. Very exciting. So I think down there's actually a clearance tester, which is really cool, and you can see some more of the metalwork in the queue line. Oh, it's great.
The area you are about to enter is an extension of the original.
I had a great run through there on Subterra. I absolutely love that thing. It's so fun. We were saying as a first time rider in this park, doing that and 13 must be such a shock, but it's really fun. Please don't copyright me. But the soundtrack's so good. CORVUS is just consistently the best dark ride in the UK. It just is. It's just really, really good. What they did with that thing is fantastic, and every time I go in, I'm obsessed. So Rito is closed for maintenance at the moment, so we're going to go and try 13 single rider. Never mind, 13's closed, so that means all of Dark Forest is down, so we're going to go and try X Sector now. So Altonville Mine Tour's Tiny's Revenge. I actually did that the last time I visited, and it was really, really good. So much like immersion in that maze, and all the scare mazes are fantastic here, but like with all the narrow spaces and stuff, I did it last year and this year again. I hope it stays for a couple more years because it is fantastic, but X Sector time now. It's complete sensory overload. I love this ride. Look at that view. It's absolutely crazy. We are going to give single rider a go because the main queue is at 2 hours at the moment, so we'll see how we get on. So Smiler is currently down, and we are the only ones in single rider queue. How long have we been here? An hour? Oh, hope it goes quick. So they have now just closed the Smiler queue line, evacuated everyone. We've waited for about an hour and no fast track. Kind of typical Towers operations, unfortunately, but wow, that soundtrack's loud. Yeah, it's closed. I have to say, pretty disappointing given that we waited over an hour and they're not giving out fast passes, unlike pretty much a lot of other parks. So yeah, a bit disappointing. We'll have to find something else to go on. We're trying out single rider in 13 now because everything else is either closed or very busy. Just got off 13 there. Absolutely fantastic ride. I always love that. The drop gets me every time. It's such a fun ride. Really, really fun. And it's nice to have a ride that's working as well. Great to see Hex back open. I love it. All the new subtle things are a lot nicer. It's just great to have it actually active again. It's really nice to see it busy too. I absolutely love that ride now as well. They did a fantastic job of bringing it back. Lovely gardens, looking great. It's time for Bob. absolutely incredible. I love this ride. The night ride on it, the best way to experience it. Getting proper spooky now, Alton Towers. The night lighting is looking fantastic, and we're going to make our way over to our first night ride. I mean, Wickerman was kind of a night ride, it's like a dusk ride, but we're going to go on Nemesis now. We got spices for this on opening day because we got kicked out of the queue line towards the end, so we're going to go on have an amazing night ride. I can't wait. Wow, look at this. I've got my chicken strips. We're headed into Nemesis. 2-hour queue. Let's go. Alright, we're about to go on. This is easily going to be my fastest ever ride on Nemesis. It's flying around. It's been on one train all day. It's going to be insane. I can't wait. We got back row. Let's go. Okay, that was hands down the best ride I've ever had on Nemesis. Old version and new version. That was absolutely crazy. We had a look on the ride app, it was pulling like 4.4 Gs or something, and that's sustained for about 3 seconds, like coming off of the edge of the corkscrew, down the helix and into 0G roll. It's absolutely nuts. It's been running the same train all day, so that's probably the fastest you'll ever find it running unless it has this problem during the summer, but yeah, absolute madness. I love this thing so much. Okay, the towers are looking absolutely fantastic. Look at the lighting package. Oh, Alton Towers at night is just magical. Wait, we're on our way for a 13 night ride now. I've never done one of these before, and I'm really excited to see what it's like. This soundtrack sounds great. Loving the new Scarefest soundtracks for this year. Please don't copyright it. I just saw 13 in like pretty much complete darkness. That was incredible. Can't recommend that enough if you haven't done it already. It's just so cool, especially if you've not ridden it before and you don't know the layout, because it's in complete darkness. You've got no idea where you're going, and it makes the exit to the tunnel, I won't spoil it, it makes the exits that even cooler as well, because you go from like being in pitch dark environment, you come outside and it's still dark. It's so cool. So we're just walking back over to Nemesis now after an awesome ride on 13. I thought it would be a good time to mention that we did Compound last time we were here. Was it last weekend? Compound's fantastic. Like, it's a completely new scare maze for this year, and I'm really glad that they're doing the new scare mazes, but it's just really good. Like, completely new buildings for it. All the theming looks really fresh. There's multiple different routes and the actors were amazing. Wow, look at the reflection in the water. That's probably going to pick up horribly on camera. But it looks really cool. But yeah, Compound is fantastic. Great new addition for this year. And I'm really glad that they're putting new mazes in, especially with new original themes like for the Nemesis. Look where we are. One final ride of the day. We're getting back on Nemesis Reborn. I am absolutely obsessed with this thing. I just completely love it. There's nothing about this coaster that could make it any more perfect. I'm obsessed. Got one final ride on Nemesis Reborn to end this season. It's been running so well today. Absolutely crazy. It looks like it's overspeeded, to be honest. It's absolutely mad. Look at it go. The speed is going over the loop. Absolutely crazy. I can't wait for this. Oh, Nemesis has gone to sleep. And that was it for our day at Alton Towers and Scarefest. For my last visit of the season. That was absolutely crazy. It was such an amazing day. Few ride availability issues as you saw, but all in all, fantastic day. I absolutely love this park, and especially Nemesis. Nemesis is absolute perfection, and I love it. It might be my UK #1. I think even over Hyperion, it's just that good. See you in the next vlog from Thorpe Park's Fright Nights. Really excited to get to that for my first time ever. See you then.